Alrighty, let's look at an example. Grab the handout. This is exercise E, 1122. Alki Mining Company purchased property on February 1st, year one, at a cost of $1,190,000. It's estimated that a total of 60,000 tons of material will be available for mining out of this property. After the material is removed, the company will be required to restore the property to its previous state because of environmental protection laws. And it's estimated that this restoration will be $90,000. Alki Mining Company believes it will be able to sell the property after it's all said and done for $100,000 salvage value. It incurred development costs of $200,000 before it was able to do any mining. In year one, it removed 30,000 tons of material and sold 22,000 of those 30,000 tons that it extracted. So it has a few questions here pertaining to year one. The first one is the per unit material cost. Total material cost and inventory, and then cost of goods sold. So first, let's get the depletion base. What costs are included in the amount that we will deplete? Well, we had a cost of $1,190,000. That's included. Going to incur $90,000 in restoration costs. The company had $200,000 in development costs, and it's estimating that the salvage value will be $100,000. So that's a negative number. We will not depreciate or deplete that. So our depletion base will come to $1,380,000. So let's think about the depletion rate. Remember, in our depreciation example, we had a depreciation expense per unit. Very similar here. Our depletion rate is going to be our depletion base of $1.38 million divided by the estimated number of units that we estimate we will extract from this mine. This was 60,000 tons. So our depletion rate is going to be equal to $23 per ton. This is our answer to A. The per unit material cost, $23 per ton. Let's take care of B. What is the material cost at the end of the year? In other words, what is the inventory that this mining company has on hand at the end of the year? So December 31st, year one inventory. Well, remember that they had extracted 30,000 tons, but they sold 22,000 tons. So at the end of the year, they have 8,000 tons on hand that they have extracted and not sold. And we valued these at $23 per ton. This means ending inventory is $184,000. So what does this mean for cost of goods sold for the year? Well, they extracted 30,000 tons. They have 8,000 left. That means they sold 22,000 tons. If they sold 22,000 tons, and we've determined that the cost per ton is equal to $23, then cost of goods sold is $506,000.